My name is Simon Pask. I work for I Like Sheds and I'm the manager of the manufacturing department. We're not afraid to attempt to use cutting edge materials and cutting edge tools at the same time, i.e. automated services we're looking into, and we're not afraid to give it a go to see if it will help us. And at the end of the day, we're all looking for better productivity. We were using a manual, an OSB cutter, manual OSB cutter, that we actually had to measure. It did have a measuring tape on there, and you just mark it where it was, and then you had to turn the blade around and chop it. Whereas with this one, it's literally put your boards on there. It will cut up to 4 OSB boards at the same time. So it's increased our productivity from that amount as well. Whereas our old ones was 2, and this one it measures it a lot easier. So you literally just get the blade lined up and chop it and it's done. We went and had a demo. I went to the demo. Russell took some videos, thoroughly impressed with it, showed me the videos as well, and we're like, yeah, that's just going to be a massive game changer, just purely because it's digitalised as opposed to what we were doing manual. We've designed our plans so we can help with the recycling. 1, maybe 2 sheets required for a roof, the same on a floor, and then the offcut goes either to the floor or to the roof. The guys have all been trained up when it was installed, and even the guys, the feedback from the guys, it's so much easier and so much lighter to use than what we were using before. They can almost operate it with just a finger, just to cut the wood, and as I say, it will cut 4 pieces of OSB at a time, so it's just increasing their workload. I say increasing their workload, making their life a bit easier by the amount that they can cut. It's just meant the guys can do between 2 to 4 sheds a shift. They were struggling to do 2. With the introduction of both products, they've now increased it's almost doubled their productivity whilst they're working, which is great for us. The trust goes a long, long way, and I think we were so impressed when that was delivered. The guys came out, they measured up everything, told us where it was going to go, what the space was needed, so there wasn't a lot that we needed to do at the time, apart from just make the space available. And obviously if you've got that relationship there straight off the bat, the guys that's already been here, they know what you do and what you need, and help us that way. We just want to get to the best, make the best sheds that we can possibly make, and the more products that we can get that help us do that, then we're willing to invest into it and we'll do it.